wait for you. 64 counts, 2 walls, intermediate, wait on the left. Section 1, side right, quarter, right kick ball step, full turn, half, half, right foot forward rock, recover. Section 2, shuffle half turn, facing 3 o'clock, shuffle quarter turn, facing 6, back rock, recover, hinge half turn, quarter back, quarter side, facing 12. Count section 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. 2 cross rocks. Right cross rock, recover together. Left cross rock, recover together. Step pivot half. Step pivot quarter. Now facing 3 o'clock. Section 4. Cross side sailor step. Cross quarter back facing 12. Shuffle half turn facing 6. Count section 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 5. Toe strut. Toe, heel down. Step, pivot half. Toe, strut. Step, pivot quarter. Now facing 9. Section 6. Cross shuffle. Shuffle to the left. Sailor step. Touch left toe behind. Unwind half turn. Now facing 3 o'clock. Wait on the left. Count section 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 7 is the same as section 5 on a different direction. Right toe strut, step pivot half, left toe strut, step pivot quarter, facing 6. Section 8, right foot, rock, recover. Out to the back, right, left, touch right. Right back rock, recover to walk, right, left, and start the dance again. Count section 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take after wall 2, facing 12 o'clock, rocking chair, forward rock, back rock, and count 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole dance count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back wall, wall 2. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tag 1, 2, 3, 4.